Hey, welcome back. All right, let's go in now. And we have been playing around with the AI tools, and I want to see what else they do. I'm going to just go back to my dashboard. It will give the wedding theme a rest now. Okay, so I'm going to create a new video. And I'm just, again, going to use things from the library. Let's do a board meeting. Just because it was right in front of me. It's a little corporate looking, but that's okay. Okay. And now I'm going to go under Tools. And so let's give text-to-speech a try. Turn text into natural sounding voices. Well, first we need some text, right? So before I use that, let me just put some text in here. All right, I'm just putting this in here. Okay, so I've just double clicked on it so that I can go in here and maybe I'll just copy and paste and just change the text a little bit. All right, we love our job. It's not boring at all. All right, so that clip has a few seconds of text, and then I'll just very quickly grab one and pop it in here as well. And I'm just copying and pasting from the other one. All right, so I'm making a very silly little narrative about people getting fired at their job. Back. All right, let's see how that looks. And oh, let me just add a little music in there as well. All right, pop it in, pop it in, pop it in, and then I'm going to just see if I can adjust the volume. I want it to be very low, just like in the background. Okay, that's it. Play. It's kind of ominous. I'm usually a very positive person, but there you go. All right, so that's there. So now I'm going to go to my tools over here, and I'm going to turn that text into speech. So language, let's just put it in English for now. It's putting all the text on top of each other right now, which is a little bit annoying. Okay, voice. So we got Jenny, we've got Ava, who's multilingual, Andrew, Emma, Brian. Jenny sounds very American.
Many think that the people you list as references are already cued to say nice things.
Okay, so you can actually preview these?
The name Doddle was...
Sure. Here are some possible slogans for a school.
I feel like Andrew should be the one firing people for some reason. Voice style general?
Sure.
Okay. I believe each of these have different voice styles. You can also play around with the pitch and the speed. Aha. So this happened today. Generate.
So this happened today.
So actually, I thought that we needed the text in order for this to work, but actually you can type it right in here. Save to media. So this
happened today.
So I'm gonna just plop that in here. All right, here we go.
So this happened today.
Okay, but this is really cool. So this gives you the ability to create a voice without you having to record yourself and without having to be male or female if that's not what you are, and almost like having little actors working for you. Very cool. All right, in the next lesson, we'll explore another AI tool. See you there.